All right, so I want to show you how to use copy and paste to your advantage in Canvas. So for today, you have a self-rating, and this is just for you to think back of all the things that we've done, think about how to rate yourself, read through this, and really think about it. I'm going to make a review for Friday that is based on this. So be honest, it's not going to hurt my feelings. If I see a lot of kids are saying they are like a number 1, 2, or 3 on certain things, I'll try to put more questions in there like that. So here's how to copy and paste. It says copy and paste in this in the text box, rate yourself and submit. So if you don't want to have to type all of this stuff, hold your mouse and copy it. And if you right click and do copy, and then you do submit assignment, it'll bring this box up and you can right click and do paste, and it takes this and puts it in your text box. So then you can just put your ratings, whatever they might be, in here. All right, so then once you do all your ratings, you just hit submit, and that's how to do copy paste. It saves a lot of time and energy from having to type over and over again. I hope that helps you.